Imagine you're sitting at your desk, minding your own business, when your phone starts ringing. You pick up, only to hear a complete stranger on the other end. What do? You check the caller ID, of course. But what if your phone system doesn't have caller ID? That would be a major pain, right? Today, we're going to answer the question, does RingCentral have caller ID? And if so, what are the benefits of using this feature? What is caller ID? Before we dive into RingCentral, let's quickly define what caller ID is. In simple terms, caller ID is a service that displays the phone number of the person calling you on your screen. It's a handy tool that can help you identify unwanted calls, screen calls from unknown numbers, and even return calls to people you know. Does RingCentral have caller ID? The short answer is yes. RingCentral does have caller ID. In fact, caller ID is a standard feature that comes included with most RingCentral plans. So, if you're a RingCentral user, you can rest assured that you'll be able to see who's calling you before you answer. Benefits of using caller ID with RingCentral. Now that we know RingCentral has caller ID, let's explore some of the benefits of using this feature. Identify unwanted calls. Caller ID can help you identify unwanted calls from telemarketers, scammers, and other nuisance callers. This can save you time and frustration. Screen calls. If you're busy or don't want to be disturbed, you can use caller ID to screen calls. This means you can decide whether or not to answer a call based on the caller's phone number. Return calls. If you miss a call, caller ID can help you easily return the call. Simply look up the caller's number and dial it. Integrate with other features. RingCentral's caller ID feature can be integrated with other features, such as call recording and call forwarding. This can make it even more useful. How to use caller ID with RingCentral. Using caller ID with RingCentral is simple. Just pick up your phone when someone calls, and the caller's phone number will be displayed on your screen. You can also use caller ID with your RingCentral app on your smartphone or computer. Additional features. In addition to the standard caller ID feature, RingCentral also offers some additional features that can enhance your calling experience. Caller ID blocking. If you're being harassed by a particular caller, you can use caller ID blocking to block their calls. Caller ID announcement. RingCentral can announce the caller's name or phone number when your phone rings. Caller ID lookup. You can use RingCentral to look up the name and location of a phone number. So there you have it. RingCentral does have caller ID, and it's a valuable feature that can help you identify unwanted calls, screen calls, and return calls. If you're looking for a phone system with caller ID and other advanced features, RingCentral is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.